In our HTML file, write the source for this JavaScript document. That is what I'm going to do right now. Our JavaScript document is located in JS folder, and it is named comparison slider.js. By telling this at the end of the HTML file before body closing tag, we are telling our HTML that he needs to go to JS folder, take this JS code and apply it. And then by inserting this code here, we are telling our browser that, because browser is always reading the HTML document, index HTML document, it goes and reading, it comes here to the end. Our scripts are usually before the body closing tag, and finally all the pages loaded, right? Because the styles are read from this style.css document already, they are up here. The browser reads everything one by one from the top to the bottom, and then at the bottom what he sees, oh wow, we have script, so I need to pick up some JavaScript code and apply it. Right, so where is it, this JavaScript code? Right here, JS folder, comparison slider.js file. That's how our browser sees JavaScript. And one more final thing I wanted, you see, you can have your icon, or you can have this document by default icon. I would prefer you making every time your own icons and applying them to your websites. That's why I prepared these where is it? It's here. This icon that I downloaded from Icon Finder and just changed the color to this blue jeans color. In order for your browser to see it and to display it right like this, you need to add the link in the head of your HTML file. It's link for icon, and we don't need this type. The icon is located just here without any folder. I basically type the name of the icon, icon.png, and as soon as I do it, our browser see it and display it over here. So that's it for this comparison slider. Just be creative and apply your own idea with in terms of sketch and the picture and the content as well, and it will decorate your web page a lot.